Yo, what up, world? It's your boy C's from theclife.com. Welcome back to the people's favorite channel on the internet. Man, this weekend was a weekend to remember, yo. I definitely went through a transformational experience over the weekend. I was meditating all weekend and was taking notes from the messages that I received from my meditation all weekend, and just all came through in this book, yo. It's insane. Like, I wrote thousands of words, it seemed like, and maybe a couple of those sentences revealed every answer that I was searching for. You know, like when I tell you answers lies within your meditation, I'm not joking. Like, any answer that you are searching for will reveal themselves when you meditate, like, period. And prior to this weekend, I received some unfortunate news in regards to a family member, and all of it was happening at once. And I'm like, yo, why am I not feeling like sad? You know, I'm just questioning my emotions, right? And then it led to like this big boom internally. And all of a sudden, a flow of information was just coming to me, and it was revealing everything that I was searching for. You know, like, I was going to title this, actually, I will be titling this video, how to get what you want when you don't know what you want. You know, going into this, I was just unconscious of what I really wanted, right? I had no idea what I really wanted. But then it revealed itself in my meditation exactly what I want, right? And there was a process, and I talked a lot of shit in regards to the process this, the process that. And I submit to you that I truly did not understand what the process was. And there's a prerequisite to knowledge, right? Before knowledge, there's ignorance. So I submit that I didn't know what I didn't know until I got these answers, right? And the meditation just laid it out for me, like, this is what's going on with you right now. This is where you are in your life. This is what you need to change. Take these actions. You're on the right path, right? And I was like, really? I was like, really? This is exactly what I was searching for, man. And I spoke to a trainer that I'm mentoring right now, and I told him everything in the notes. And I'm sorry, his mind was blown away, right? I'm not going to reveal it out right now, because there's still some elements that I like to process and work on and continuing to practice before I'm, like, you know, on my throne giving direction and shit. So it was a weekend to remember. So I was debating, do I make this video? Do I sit back and again, compelled to at least timestamp this video so that I'm like, yo, this is what I could point to. This is exactly the moments when it happened. It's crazy, you know, like, you look at where results lie in your life when it comes to time, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to your health and fitness, when it comes to money. And you look and see, like, are you getting the results that you want? Like, honestly asking those questions. And when you get those answers, you're able to direct your focus to exactly what needs that focus, right? And it all ties in together. It's just one endless chain bound together. And depending on what you're focused on, you're going to get the results regardless. Whether you're focusing on the positive aspects or the negative, you're going to get the results that you want, right? I will be diving deeper with the Inner Circle group KNAPPY University, the best study group on the planet. You know, we study and apply universal law and apply it to build generational wealth, right? So in this current state, this economy, you got AMC, the short squeeze. I'm like, yo, if there's one thing that retail investors need to do, it's follow this map. It's crazy, man. Like, have patience, I will reveal, but it's for those who are ready to receive it. You know, I understand that now. I could scream on a hill as much as I want, but when the students are ready, the teacher will appear. And when the teacher is ready, the students will appear, right? So I'm going to continue to practice this, implement it in my life, and hopefully the transformational experience it created in me can bless those who I come in contact with, either virtually or in person, right? Anyway, quick video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drink water, get money, mind your business, and I'm out. Peace.